Hi everyone and welcome at Heat Supply's 1 minute hot sauce review, the fastest hot sauce review on the internet. And today we are going to review the Bravado Aka Miso hot sauce. You might know this one from Hot Ones. If you want to stay updated on these hot sauce reviews and more, please follow us on our socials, but for now let's dive right into Bravado Aka Miso hot sauce. Let's start the 1 minute right now. First we're going to take a look at the ingredients, which are just a few.
Ghost pepper, Carolina Reaper, rice wine vinegar, aka miso, tamari, sesame oil, togarashi, and salt.
Maybe elaborate a little bit. Togarashi is spice mix, a Japanese spice mix, which is in aka miso, which is also used to spice up sushi. Then we're going to take a look at the consistency, which from the outside looks very smooth. And we're going to have a smell. And you can, it's really an umami bomb already, just from the smell alone. You can also pick up the peppers, which are the first ingredients, but then we're going to have a taste. Immediately umami, very present. And I think I really recognize the togarashi now, the flavor you can also taste in sushi. It makes this sauce very unique and very tasty. Peppers are definitely also starting to work, which are the ghost pepper and Carolina Reaper. They are extremely hot and they are the first two ingredients, so this is also a very hot sauce, but it's also very tasty. It's a very unique sauce, one of a kind, but for flavor I think this one, I would give this like an 8.5 out of 10. And for heat, I think this might also get an 8.5 out of 10. At the end of the video we always want to advise you on how to use this hot sauce. This is a very unique hot sauce, but it's very good on noodle dishes, dumplings, sushi, so mostly Asian dishes, but also on some meats this would also be very good. If you want to try this Bravado Aka Miso hot sauce for yourself, go to heatsupply.nl and order it there. That was it for this week's 1 minute hot sauce review, and we hope to see you next week for the next one.